quick starters, my name is Joseph Sabri, and I'm the founder of I, a revolutionary product that will take your iPhone to the next level. During the past 2 years, I have worked with a talented team of developers and engineers, researching, planning, and designing the ultimate product that will make your smartphone advanced, elaborate, innovative, and much more. I will upgrade your iPhone by adding some of the most wanted features to your smartphone.
We had a very complex engineering challenge because we didn't want to sacrifice size and convenience, just forgetting all the amazing features we envisioned for I. It was either develop a thin case or not going for it at all. After a lot of very hard work, I'm happy to say that we made it. We managed to make I thin, convenient, and still full of the best tech features.
As you can see, I is the coolest and dopest case ever made. I'm very happy to start this crowdfunding campaign with you. This is I. For now, it's only my personal reality. Let's mass produce it.
Because I'm from Switzerland, but this is not about cheese. In sports, you want to leave as little as possible to chance. You want to optimize the way you train, the way you regenerate, the way you eat, the way you drink. And drinking has a massive effect on your performance. So why do we settle for water that tastes bad, contaminated by a plastic bottle? Now, a metal bottle or a glass bottle might give you a better taste, but it's too heavy. It's too much of a distraction when you have to unscrew it. It slows you down. You want to keep your pace, right? Keep your focus. Also, you see, I'm a team player, and in every good team, you share your bottle. But then, it's very important you can have contactless drinking for hygienic reasons. So you want to squeeze the bottle to push the water out. Everybody has this amazing equipment. Everything's high-tech, but then we drink from the cheap plastic bottles. Our water deserves better. We deserve better. Many told me it's not possible, but I kept going, looking for the right technology, looking for the right people, and here we are. The world's first squeezable metal bottle, Kigo. Born in Switzerland, designed in Vienna, produced in Denmark. And that's where the magic happens.
A groundbreaking layering process makes it possible to create a titanium that's super light, extremely durable, and most of all, flexible. By the way, the company mastering this process is also renowned for producing accelerator parts for CERN.
Now all we need to keep going is your support to buy the tools and the material.
Sleep is important. The value of the sleep is something that you realize when you're losing it. First you lose your focus and then your good spirit, but also it will go to severe health issues at the end. But the upside here is that we can also affect positively your health by improving your sleep. So we started making studies to find a solution for it. I'm proud to introduce Quiet on Sleep. This device is one of a kind. There's no other active noise-cancelling earplugs what you could use for sleeping. There are other devices for the sleeping purposes like foam earplugs. The problem with that is that they can't really cut the snoring sound. There are some devices which are creating more noise, meaning this kind of masking noise that you can hide the snoring, but then you need to listen to the noise what that device creates. So we are making silence. The first product was already a massive hit. It went all around the world and got really positive feedback from different segments, especially from the frequent travelers, but also the people who are working in the noisy environments. But still, we found some room for the improvements, especially for the sleeping. Our new device is small, it is soft, it is optimized for the snoring sounds. It also have two modes, there's hearing mode and sleeping mode. The great feature of this device, even though we went really small, that there's still enough battery life. So there's 20 hours in a single charge. I'm privileged to work with this kind of device, which have the major impact on people's lives. Sales have been now started.
A lot of the most meaningful photographs come from traveling to places that people have never experienced before. And the effort that goes into capturing that moment for people to enjoy, those are the moments that I live for. Those moments are rarely captured under the best conditions. Adding Riverbank to my gear kit enables me to go further off the grid and handle any situation. Riverbank is the first module portable power solution of its kind. The main module has 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, and it supports wireless charging. There's also an LED screen that shows you how much battery life you have left, how much power your devices are drawing, and what ports you're using. The AC module has a standard 110-volt AC port and can be connected to the main module to increase my overall power capacity. The versatility of combining both modules allows me to create a portable workstation wherever. I can charge my laptop 4 times, camera batteries 18 to 20 times, and phone 18 to 30 times. And even when I'm all out of ports on my laptop, I can use Riverbank as a USB hub to transfer photos from my SD card to my computer. The car jump starter module could jumpstart my car up to 10 times in one charge, and also adds power capacity when stacked with the Riverbank main module. And this thing keeps me on the road and on time for the next shoot. All 3 modules are less than 100 watt hours each. This makes Riverbank the largest capacity power station you can legally fly with. The Riverbank can be used to power the whole team during a meeting. It can power my laptop in busy coffee shops where wall outlets aren't accessible, and the extra adapter tips make Riverbank compatible with most laptop models. And I can recharge it with EcoFlow's portable solar panels when I'm outside, so I still have juice to power my barbecues with friends at the end of the day. Wherever I am in the world, Riverbank keeps me powered and connected so that I never miss a moment.